Hello, my good friends from week 1 of statistics. So, you guys, we may as well just get started and jump right into it. What we did already, and it was probably just a few minutes ago for most of you, is introduce yourself to the class. That was task 1 of the semester. What we got going here is, first of all, you come over and you click on content, because that gets you set up in the right direction. And once you're in the content window, you're over here going, all right, first thing that I got to do is watch a YouTube video, and that's what you're doing right now. Then you come over and you say to yourself, I need to figure out the chapter overview to see what we're doing so I can get a good grip on how this week is going to go. So that's when you click on this chapter 1 overview page. After you're done briefly glancing at that thing, you come into the work of the semester. The work of the semester is delivered to us in D2L via MindTap, Cengage MindTap. And to get yourself set up into a Cengage MindTap thing, what you do is you just click on the first assignment that you're going to be reading the introduction for, and that will direct you to a window that is Cengage's MindTap whole operation that you probably have to pay for it. Meaning this is your textbook. This is just what you're going to be doing is an exercise in the textbooks. So the first assignment is to read. That's task number 2 of the semester, is to read the situation there, and then you're going to come back to D2L and you're going to say to yourself, all right, I'm back here at D2L. What I need to do is do this third task of the semester, which is each task is preceded by the number with which that task is assigned. So 3 would be explore, and you come over and explore this thing. Then you come over and say to yourself, okay, now all I got to do is get back to D2L and click on task 4 of the semester, which is going to direct you to another circumstance that you're going to be happy about when that happens. And it's all just this really cool thing. And so once you got that going on, all you got to do is inform yourself that you're learning and having fun while you're learning and you're engaging. Briefly, then, I'm just going to tell you that after you've done the tasks for this week, which will be 5 of them, task 5 is 6 tasks actually, but task 5 is you create a video. Now you're doing this in the Cengage MindTap platform. There's instructions, and what the video that you're making will be describing the whole circumstance regarding that neat introduction that you're doing. Then you come over and you have a discussion about it back in D2L. You talk about you created a video, you've watched the other students' videos, you've gotten some ideas from them, and now you're going to discuss it right back here in D2L. So there are 6 tasks this week, 5 tasks this week, but because you did one already pre-week 1, you were actually only doing 5 on this module. So what can you do when you get stuck? You can call my cell phone. You can say, Batch, what do I do? And I'll walk you through the whole thing. So that will be very cool, and you should enjoy it tremendously. In the meantime, Pink Floyd's going to take us out of here, and I'll be seeing you next week when you click into D2L for another nice little episode of Stats with Batch. See you then.